All right, guys, Joe with Joe's Golden Garage here with the dopest ride that is out here today. A 1991 Ford Tempo with 79,000 miles. Blue, got a brand new set of Walmart Dextero tires all the way around. Look at those skinny things. I bet they're 14s. I'm trying to look. Hard to find tires that small. This thing runs like brand new. It's a donated car to a veterans group called Today's Veterans. Donated car. It's got cold air. It's got power door locks. Man, only bum spot on the whole car. Too bad. Let's take her for a ride. This is obviously some little grandma's car. I used the power door locks. Yes, they do work. I think so, but this door is stuck closed. Clean. Look at that blue velour. Look at that door card. She's nice. I'm gonna bid on this car and pray that I win in the morning. I want this to drive to work every day. 3-speed automatic. Let's cut this AC down. Look where the fan speed is. Coming up to temperature nice. Half a tank of fuel. Oh, let's take her down the track. I mean, she shifts so smooth. Not a lot of power, but runs really well. I mean, when was the last time you've seen a Ford Tempo? I mean, the ones left are like in states like this, Georgia, you know? It's the only place you're gonna find somewhere where they haven't just rotted and rusted away. She just kind of easily goes down the road. No big hurry. But I'll be darned if she don't drive good. Got good brakes. This steering wheel cover makes a hell of a difference, I'm sure, on the steering wheel. This thing is a sweet little car. Now, let's see if we can get a dead start. Oh yeah, there we go. Not bad. Not bad. I mean, she's not terrible. I mean, I bet it would get up to 75 or 80. I bet you could peg it out. Let's try it again. I just want to see if the cruise control works. If the cruise works, we are in, baby. Turn that on. We'll set it on the track, maybe. Well, maybe I can set it right here. I don't think it's working. No. Oh well, shocker. Shocker. Ooh, that's a rough looking Lexus convertible. Donated vehicle. This is so cool. 2.3 4-cylinder, I think. Probably good for about 80 horsepower. She's just fine. Just fine. Ain't no hurry. Y'all tell me what you think. 91 Ford Tempo. Man, this is a long lost car here, man. 1991 is the year I graduated from high school. I can't believe this was what was new for us to buy then. Because I ended up with a new Honda Civic when I graduated from high school. Now you think about a new Honda Civic compared to this at the time. a 91 Civic. I mean, that thing was leaps and bounds nicer than this car. And it was actually pretty quick. Fun car. But this is a cool old find from the day. Little Meemaw Pawpaw car. And she runs great. I'm so tickled I found this, ran across this. Y'all have a good day. We'll see you next time. Peace.